Brock, how's it going, man?
Good.
Okay, we're headed down to the river, right?
Yep.
And we've got your jet boats here. So we've got yours converted to a brushless drive now,
Yep.
right?
Yep.
So a brushless drive, and
Better.
it is, I think so. And we've also converted Mums. This thing is really hard to pack everything in there, but that's a little brushless drive. So we're all good. I also was working on your truck this morning.
Yep.
Right, and we put an oxygen sensor in because it only had one, and so the whole right bank didn't have an oxygen sensor, right?
I'm trying to chop off the web.
Are we doing an intro?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so your whole front bank, or the whole right bank, didn't have an oxygen sensor, and the computer needs that. Right, so I made a bung, and I welded it into the truck, and then
The bung is
the bung is what it threads into, and we welded that in, and then I screwed in an oxygen sensor. And now
I need everybody.
now
to
we
go.
got one on each side. All right. Yeah.
We're still at my house. We're just getting loading up, but
All right.
I bet you remember that red truck.
Here, you just put that in the bed right now. I'm gonna go take a look at that oxygen sensor. Do you remember where the oxygen sensor goes? It's right on the header, right?
I saw it right here. They're
Yeah.
doing it right here.
You see it?
Is it that like plug?
Yeah, that plug that's screwed in there.
That?
Yeah. So, yeah. So that's what the computer uses to fine tune
And
the
look
fuel
at
mixture.
the mold.
It's in there.
I'm going to go inside the truck to show you what it looks like on the top. I was dead. You just did that so you can film?
Yeah. Oh, you're opening up the hood? Okay.
Under it, right there is the propeller.
Yeah, what's that prop doing? Cools the engine,
Oh
right?
yeah.
Yeah, pulls air through the rad.
Yep.
You know what all the rest of this stuff does?
Make the engine go.
Yeah, it's all important for sure. Yeah, we'll teach you in time. At this point, just appreciate that it runs. What do you think, Brock?
We're finally here.
Yeah, we've got.
Mom.
Is there enough water? Oh, no, you're not carrying it. You got it. Alright, Mom can carry that. That's alright. Just more other things. I just didn't want a kid carrying it. Okay. Yeah, will that battery slide in there?
No.
There you go. Not touching the motor, right?
But where's the plug area? I said, where's the plug area? Then I found it.
Boat. Hey. Look at Mom's little tiny jet boat. Oh, dude. Okay, careful. All right. Let's see how Mom's does. Whoa. Mom's doing pretty good.
trade.
No, no trading.
Why?
Nope. Mom has a tiny battery. Okay. Never end, never. What are they doing colors, eh? Boat battle. Ready? Hey guys,
Say happy Father's Day.
whoa!
Happy Father's
Oh,
Do you remember what kind of cake it is?
my favorite color.
Pink.
My pink. Pink's my favorite color. Bring it in light. Let's check it out. Thanks, man. That's an awesome cake. You put that together? Oh, yeah, right here on the floor. Perfect. Next to the cat food.
Why?
No. I just meant like, okay, that's good.
All right.
Say happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day. Wait.
Bill's happiest dad. See you, man.
Thank
for watching.
you. Thanks for watching. Like